Make your kitchen counters look brand new with these 5 easy tips. Want your kitchen counters to look fresh, clean, and almost brand new? You don't need expensive products or a major renovation. These 5 simple tips can make a noticeable difference. Tip 1. Clean daily. Wipe your counters after cooking with a soft microfiber cloth and a gentle cleaner. Removing spills quickly prevents stains and buildup. Tip 2. Tackle stubborn marks. For dried food or sticky spots, use warm water and a mild dish soap. Let it sit for a few minutes before gently wiping. Avoid harsh scrubbing. Tip 3. Remove stains carefully. Different countertop materials need different care. For stone surfaces, avoid acidic cleaners like vinegar or lemon, which can damage certain finishes. Tip 4. Restore the shine. Once the surface is clean, dry it completely with a soft cloth. This helps prevent water spots and brings out the natural finish. Tip 5. Protect your counters. Always use cutting boards, trivets, and coasters. Keep hot pans and sharp objects directly off the countertop. With just a few minutes of regular care, your kitchen counters can stay cleaner, brighter, and beautiful for years. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.